afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever time you are watching this. I'm finally filming a morning routine. I have always wanted to do one of these and I'm finally doing it today. When I first wake up, I always just have to have a sec just to kind of look around, make sure I'm at home, make sure I'm safe, and then try and remember if I said anything or did anything. It kind of sounds like I'm always awake when I'm hungover, but I don't drink. It's just to make sure that everything's normal, just in case something happened. You never know. I love to open up the window right in the morning when I wake up just to give in some fresh air. And yes, I am the person that goes straight back to bed. I don't like waking up and starting my day straight away. I like to be in bed for a bit just to kind of wake my mind up, wake my body up a bit. And I just spend some time on my phone replying to friends. I reply to friends straight away when I wake up, and then I do kind of like emails or anything later on. And that's how I make my bed. I'm not a make a bed person, guys. I just flip it back so everything's up there. And then I go into the kitchen and I make myself a glass of water. I love having a cold glass of water when I wake up as well. I find that it just makes me feel refreshed and makes me feel awake, especially when it's freezing cold and you can feel it going down you. Like, there's nothing in the world that compares to that feeling. I just go on my phone again for a little bit. I hook my phone up to the speaker at this point and just have music blasting out. I think that's the best way for me to start my day. It gives me in a positive mood. It makes me feel upbeat. It makes me feel positive and just like I can do anything. Basically, I just feel real happy. If you guys watch my vlogs, if you look at the time, you're probably really impressed that I'm actually up and moving at this time. I also like to open up my balcony doors as well and just take in some fresh air. It's kind of hard when you live in an apartment just to kind of get fresh air because obviously we don't have a garden or anything, but I try and open up as many windows and as many doors and just, I just enjoy fresh air and music. And this is, yeah, that's what makes me feel like. Thanks, Soph. About 3 or 4 times a week, I will just pour loads of Zoflora and boiling hot water in the sink and leave it overnight. I put the sponges and any kind of like items to help washing up in there as well, just so that the kitchen smells nice and then it actually transfers to all of the living room. So in the morning, I just let that out. To do our washing up just before bed, so the washing up is then ready to be put away when we wake up in the morning. So I'm just going to do that. And then I will just do any other chores that need to be done. So we did a wash the day before of some bed sheets. So I'm just going to, I first chuck them on the bed and I collect them all and then I do fold them up and put them away. I like to do my chores when I first wake up, just so I know once I finish them, then I can relax and then I can just start my day. This is kind of the same in the evening when I finish work or if I come home from something. Before sitting down and watching TV and chilling out, I like to do as many chores, if not all the chores, so that I just have nothing but chill time. So yeah, I'm just going to do the chores now, which is just folding up these bed sheets and then putting another wash on as well. So now that all my chores are done, this is when I start to just go back onto the couch and chill out. And this is when I'll do any businessy stuff, so anything to do with YouTube, any emails, anything to do with my own business. I also like to have a little dance and a little sing every now and then. And today I was up a little bit earlier than I kind of needed to be because I wasn't doing anything business-wise until a little bit later on. So I had a little bit more chill time, so I was just on the couch just chilling. And I don't like watching TV in the morning, so I will just honestly just sit here and listen to music and just chill. And then once all my little bits and bobs are done, I will start getting ready. And I do promise I am not glued to my phone. I just like to change the music for different settings. So when I'm on the couch, I have a certain type of music. When I'm in the shower, I have a different type of music. I just like to alternate the music. I honestly get so many questions about what toothpaste I use, so about 3 to 4 times a week I will use this one. It's from Arm & Hammer and it's the extra white toothpaste. It doesn't taste amazing because it's got baking soda in there, but it does make my teeth really white. And then apart from that, on the other days that I don't use this, I would just use any Colgate sensitive teeth whitening toothpaste. So that's it. And then more dancing. This is all I do, guys. And then I'll just go in and pick out what I want to wear. Today I'm just filming an Instagram live and I filmed a few videos, so it was just something really chilled basically. Most of my clothes are quite chilled unless I'm going out, but I wasn't going out today. So I opted for a pair of ribbed khaki biker shorts, a ribbed khaki bralette, and then a white oversized shirt. Now it is time for breakfast. This is my banana iced protein coffee. I have this every single day. I talk about it all the time on my vlogs. I have the recipe on SophieBBeauty and SophieBBeauty, which are my other Instagrams, but I will leave it down below for you as well. And I have this every single day. Sometimes I use some more coffee than other days, depending on how tired I am or what I've got planned for the day. But I will leave everything down in the description box if you guys want to try it. It is honestly delicious. Then I'll just make my way into the beauty room. This is where I spend so much time in the morning because it's just like my little happy, safe place. And I'm just gonna do my hair, so I'm just gonna take it out of the little braids that I've had it in. I don't know for a couple of days, I'm not gonna lie. Take them all out, and then I'm just gonna have a couple of braids at the front, but like really, really small braids. You'll see in a sec. And then that is their hair complete. Just give it a bit of a zhuzh and a bit of a spray. That's it. Kind of felt like Scary Spice a little bit here. My mum naturally had this kind of wave pattern and ginger hair. I feel like I'm just trying to be her so bad. I'm even wearing one of her necklaces today. And then the necklace I'm putting on now is my nanny's, so my mum's mum. So I have my mum's side on me today. And then I put my watch on. My favourite watch at the moment, and for many years now, has been my Casio watch. I always put my ring on as well, and then I put my hoops in, just so that I feel all ready. Even on days that I'm not wearing makeup, at the moment what I'm trying to do is at least put some like jewellery on, do my hair, get dressed, so that I feel somewhat done up for the day, because obviously with lockdown I feel like I'm just trapped in pajamas all the time, so I'm just trying to make myself feel a little bit better by getting at least half ready. And because I'm filming, you can't forget to dampen your beauty blender. That's probably like the worst thing you do, is when you sit down ready to do makeup and then you realise that your sponge isn't damp yet. So I'm just gonna damp it, get it all ready to film. Depending what it is I'll film. If I'm using my main camera, I'll just make sure the battery's set up, the microphone's set up, the SD card's in. But today I was doing my Instagram live. I do this every Sunday if you want to tune in. It's at 12:30 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, English time, if you ever want to tune in. So all I'm doing is setting up my little tripod for my phone and connecting it. And then guys, that's it. That's my morning routine. That's all I kind of do. I wake up late because I'm not a morning person, and then I just start to work pretty much straight away. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I will speak to you guys very, very soon. Bye.